Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Converting a large dataset, such as a 20 GB CSV file, into the hdf5 format can be a practical solution for efficient storage and retrieval. hdf5 is a versatile and high-performance file format that is particularly useful for handling large datasets. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to convert a large CSV file into hdf5 format using both Python and R, providing code examples for each step. Python installation. Python libraries. R installation. R libraries. Chunking and compression, Python. Chunking and compression, R. Handling large files. By following these steps and considering additional optimizations, you can efficiently convert large CSV files into hdf5 format using both Python and R. ChatGPT.